How to be a Grabfood rider. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to be a Grabfood rider. First, you have to open up your web browser and search for Grab Rider in the search bar. After that, tap on this link that shows up in the search results. Make sure you're at least 18 years old and have a smartphone with internet access. Additionally, applicants who are 60 years old and older need a medical certificate confirming they're fit to work. Next, tap on the Sign In button. After that, you'll be asked to fill out an application form. This form requires personal information, such as your name, contact details, and address. You also have to provide information about your vehicle and upload documents such as your ID, driver's license, vehicle registration, and insurance. Once approved, you will receive confirmation from Grab, often via email or through the app. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.